Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language of your monitor CHiQ 22F650. So first, what we want to do is you want to go over to the settings here. Now let's scroll down and here we will have OSD Setup. Now click on language and we need to swipe right again just to make the English, let's say, red. Here we can change the language. As you guys can see, whenever we choose a language, then we swipe right and the language will be applied. So now here I can do the same. Let's find English. Here we need to swipe to the right and now the language is completely different. So this is how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.